Hi everyone, today we have Samsung tablet T515 for replacement screen. The original one is broken from inside. As you can see, it's inside broken. We already put on separator machine for 5 minutes, temperature 100 degrees. You can see after getting hot, very easy to remove screen. In some area glue very hard, so we use thinner. I am trying to remove the screen without broken. Because if you have a good screen and you want disassemble the tablet, then you can use this method. Remove the screen very carefully and you should know the cable where is. Remove cable from screen. Take new screen and remove tape. As we can see, there is no touch board, so we remove from old screen. Now install touch board on new screen. Plug the cable. As you can see now, screen working. Also touch working. If after plug cable there is no display, then we have to remove battery and plug again, or just restart with keep pressing volume up, volume down and power button. Put glue on all side. 6x speed. Thanks for watching.